Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate Instagram account on iPhone without waiting. For example, if you have recently deactivated your account and you want to deactivate again, then if it is asking for to wait, you wait for some time because you have recently deactivated your account, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply click on Instagram account, and here you have to simply click on profile, and after that you have to simply click on three lines here. So in three lines you will find the option of settings and activity. So here you have to click on the first option as account center. So here you will find the option of personal details, because here you will find the option related to activation, deactivation and deletion. So you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to click on that deactivation or deletion. You have to select the account, and after selecting the account you have to make sure that if you are going to deactivate it, that account will be deactivation will be temporary. So you have to make sure about that, and as you click on continue, they will tell you about the detail that you will also lose the followers as you click on continue. And after providing the password, if you have already deactivated, they will ask you to select the option, and after selecting the option, they will tell you that you can simply deactivate your account for only once in a time. So here is the written, you can reactivate your account through account center. We can also automatically activate your account for you. So if you want to deactivate it, then you can simply select the continue option, and as you click on deactivate account, your account will be deactivated. But if you have already deactivated it, they will ask you to wait for some time. So after some time, you can simply click on your account and log in back. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.